Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ice augers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're an avid ice fisher or just getting into the sport, I've got you covered with a range of options, from budget-friendly to premium. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Thunder Bay Replacement Ice Auger Flat Blades. While this product isn't a complete auger, it's an excellent choice if you're looking to upgrade or replace the blades on your existing and ice auger. These blades are made from high-quality stainless steel, which ensures long-lasting durability and resistance to corrosion. Designed to fit most 6-inch straight blade hand augers, these blades are sharp and precise, making ice cutting quick and efficient. The build quality is impressive, with its stainless steel construction standing up to harsh winter conditions. Installation is a breeze, with all the necessary hardware included, and the 2-blade set provides you with a spare, reducing any downtime on the ice. While it's not a standalone tool, it adds significant value to any compatible auger, making it a great pick for those needing an upgrade. However, since this is a blade replacement set, it's not ideal for someone who doesn't already own an auger. It's also a niche product, tailored to a specific audience. If you need a full auger system, you might want to look at other options on this list. But for its price and durability, it's a solid investment for ice fishing enthusiasts looking to extend the life of their existing equipment. At number 4, we have the 16-inch by 4-inch upgraded auger drill bit by Sayalito, which stands out as the most budget-friendly option on our list. If you're looking for an affordable, lightweight solution for ice fishing, this product is a great starting point. Designed with sharp, thickened blades made from high-strength manganese steel, it's surprisingly effective at drilling clean holes through ice. The addition of tungsten steel cemented carbide in the twist drill bit ensures durability and makes it suitable for hard soil and gravel as well. One of the standout features is its compatibility with most 3/8-inch or larger chucked drills, transforming your everyday power drill into a functional ice fishing auger. This makes it a fantastic choice for anyone looking for versatility and affordability. However, it's not as robust as some of the higher-end options on this list, and it relies heavily on the power of your drill, which means you'll need a high-quality drill to maximize its potential. Overall, this is an excellent choice for beginners or those on a tight budget. It's lightweight, easy to transport, and multi-purpose, as you can use it for gardening and other tasks. Just keep in mind that it may not hold up to heavy-duty use over time. Especially in extremely thick ice conditions. For the price, though, it's hard to beat. For the price, though, it's hard to beat. Coming in at number 3 is the Jiffy Hand Auger Flip-Down Extendable 6-inch model. This mid-tier hand auger offers impressive versatility and user-friendly features. One of its defining characteristics is the adjustable length bolt, which allows you to extend the auger by up to an additional 24 inches, perfect for those deeper ice fishing spots. The flip-down handle is another standout feature, locking securely in place for drilling while conveniently folding down for transport. The auger is equipped with 2 chipper-style blades, which are known for their toughness and ability to maintain sharpness over time. These blades make cutting through thick ice a manageable task. With a cutting diameter of 6 inches, it strikes a nice balance between portability and performance. The high-speed steel construction ensures durability, and the included blade protector helps extend the life of the tool. While it's a step up in price compared to the budget options, it justifies the cost with its thoughtful design and adjustability. It's a fantastic choice for recreational fishers who want a reliable and long-lasting tool without breaking the bank. On the downside, it's heavier than some of the other options, and the manual operation might be tiring over extended use. Still, for its build quality and ease of use, the Jiffy J4656 earns its place in the top 3. At number 2, we have the StrikeMaster Mora 2-piece hand auger. Known for its lightweight design and high-performance steel blades, this auger offers exceptional value for its price point. The adjustable handle is a major plus, allowing users to customize the height for optimal comfort and efficiency. Its powder blue finish gives it a sleek, modern look, but this auger is more than just a pretty face. It's built for serious performance. The carbon steel blades are incredibly sharp and designed to cut through ice with minimal effort. At just 7 pounds, it's one of the lighter options on this list, making it easy to carry around during long days on the ice. It's also versatile, recommended for a variety of outdoor activities beyond ice fishing, such as bushcrafting and camping. The polycarbonate handle provides a sturdy grip, ensuring comfort and control during use. However, it's worth noting that the StrikeMaster Mora is manually operated, so it may not be the best choice for those who prefer motorized augers or have limited upper body strength. That said, it's an excellent balance of price, portability, and performance, making it a favorite among ice fishing enthusiasts. If you want a reliable, lightweight tool that delivers consistent results, this is a fantastic pick. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Jiffy Hand Auger Flip-Down Extendable 8-inch model. This is the premium option on our list, and it earns its rank by combining durability, performance, and versatility. Like its 6-inch counterpart, it features an extendable length bolt, allowing you to adjust the auger's length by 24 inches. This makes it incredibly versatile for various ice thicknesses. The 8-inch cutting diameter is a standout feature, perfect for larger fishing holes and bigger catches. The chipper-style blades are razor-sharp and highly durable, ensuring smooth and efficient drilling. The flip-down handle is both practical and sturdy, folding away for easy transport and locking securely in place during use. At 7 pounds, it's not the lightest auger, but the superior build quality and high-speed steel construction more than make up for the added weight. Priced at $99.99. It's definitely an investment, but one that pays off for those who take their ice fishing seriously. The larger cutting diameter and extendable length make it ideal for professional or avid anglers who need a reliable tool for tougher conditions. While it's on the heavier side and requires manual operation, its performance and durability make it the best overall ice auger on this list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.